Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to redeem Chase credit card rewards for cashback or travel. So redeeming Chase credit card rewards for cashback or travel is a pretty simple process, and it can be completed online or through the Chase mobile app. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. Step 1 is to log in to your Chase account. Of course, you can do that on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on credit cards, and then you want to select your reward earning credit card. Next, you can view your reward balance, and you can browse available rewards on that specific credit card. And you can just select the reward that you want to redeem at any point in time, such as it could be cashback or rewards travel that you want to redeem. And you can just confirm the redemption details and submit the request to redeem those rewards. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to redeem Chase credit card rewards for cashback or travel. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.